Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one because we are going to be talking about my Sephora sale wish list. In my last video, I said that the Sephora sale was already on. I don't know where I got that from because that's completely untrue. For VIB Rouge, the 20% off sale starts on April 9th. I believe that for VIB, it's 15% off, and then for just regular Beauty Insiders it's 10% off, which really isn't that great of a deal. Sephora sales, while they are kind of like an exciting time because they only happen a couple times a year, however, they're not that great of a discount. You know what I mean? Like 10%. You can probably save more money on the brand's website just for signing up for emails. Often you get like 15% off your first order or whatever. So that right there is already better than the Beauty Insider and is the same as the VIB discount. So though this sale isn't very good, I'm VIB Rouge because I spend too much money there. What can I say? Sephora definitely has the monopoly here in Canada. There is no Ulta to compete with. Ulta was supposed to be coming to Canada this year, but because of the pandemic, I guess plans changed, and I don't even know if that's still happening anymore. My fingers are crossed. I've heard Ulta does some good coupons, and honestly, Sephora needs a little bit of competition up here because their coupons and their like point perks, even their discounts, not very good. However, despite how small the discount is, I have created a wish list. Keep in mind that I created this list with no budget in mind. This would be like if I just had free reign, unlimited money. I will not be buying all of these things. Just products that I am really interested in trying and have been for a while. That would be kind of nice to get at a discount. So without further ado, let's get into it. I will scooch over so I can post my little pictures here as I do. Also, my roommate is working from home today and he likes to make a lot of noise. He's a salesperson, so he might be talking on the phone. I'm so sorry if you hear that. He's annoying, frankly, but there's nothing I can do. So, okay, so I will stop rambling and we can just get right into everything. Oh, also, I found the best deal at Winners yesterday, 2 days ago. I found these Buxom Plumping glosses. I got them for $8 and on Sephora.com they're $28. And I already know I love this formula, so I was really excited to pick these up. It's the refreshing and tingling ones. It's the full-on lip polish. I got this shade, which is the shade Erin. Just show you. Oh, that's such a pretty color. It kind of reminds me of ColourPop Pretty In. That shade by ColourPop is available at Ulta, I believe. So if you're looking for a similar color to this, that one's really, really pretty. But yeah, this is the shade Erin, and the one I'm wearing today is extra sparkly. This is in the shade Celeste. Normally, I wouldn't buy lip products from Winners. Winners is like the Canadian Marshalls. We also have Marshalls here, but you see Winners a lot more often. But yeah, normally I wouldn't buy lip products from them because like everyone takes them out of the boxes and touches them and gets their grimy fingers in them. But I saw the employee put these on the shelves, so I was like, the stars are aligning. The galaxies want me to have these lip glosses. So I got two, $8. That's like 70% off. Oh, I'm so excited. I love the feeling of these on your lips. It's very tingly and minty. Oh, my favorite. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you before I got started because I didn't want to make a whole video about 2 lip glosses. That was 3. 2 lip glosses. Okay, so now I will stop rambling and let's get into my wish list. So the first product that I would purchase, and I think this is the one that I will most likely purchase from the sale, it's the BeachPlease Lip and Cheek Cream Blush by Tower 28 Beauty. I really like the concept of Tower 28. At first I wasn't really into it, but now I totally am. I watched some of their stuff on their Instagram stories and they're really good about really reducing the amount of packaging that they use in their products and making sure everything is recyclable. Not only that, but I've heard amazing things about these blushes. Like everyone is recommending them to me. I think the shade I would get is Magic Hour. That just looks like it would be the most flattering for me. Also, I'm wearing orange blush. How do we feel about it? I'm not sure. I got this e.l.f. I've been looking for these forever and we finally got them in Canada. It's the Bite Size Blush and Highlighter. I got the shade Cantaloupe. This blush shade, so pretty. Anyway, that's just like what I'm wearing today, so just thought I'd mention that. But yeah, with the Tower 28 cream blushes, literally get that recommendation like it's got to be like twice a day from someone new. So yeah, that's definitely the first product that is on my wish list. I want to try it because I've been really into cream and liquid blushes lately, so this one is just right up my alley. Next up, this product is by Milk Makeup. It's the Matte Cream Bronzer. I think the person that sold me on this is Samantha Ravindal. I want the shade Baked, and I think I want the mini version because everyone says that the regular size version is 28 grams of product, which it is, that's true, but everyone says that they have have such a hard time going through that. And I feel like I would just have a much better chance of actually finishing up the mini size. So I think that's what I would get. So the reason I want this one is because I feel like I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about it that have similar skin tones to mine. And also I don't have a cream bronzer. I don't have any, like zero, zilch. I feel like this would be a good product to kind of dip my toes into the cream bronzer world. Because whenever I want to do cream blush that I've been into lately and like have been experimenting with, I can never use bronzer because I don't want the blush to apply over top of the bronzer strange. And if I apply the bronzer after, I don't want it to stick to the blush strange. I feel like if you're going cream, you have to go like all cream cheek products, or else things can just get like really messy and like kind of patchy. So I don't know. I'm gonna definitely pick this one up at some point, hopefully during the sale. I still have one gift card left. Next up, this is a product from Natasha Denona, and I have really liked this for a while, since it was released pretty much. This is the Natasha Denona Love eyeshadow palette. I like pinks and purples, what can I say? I have the Sunrise palette and I love that thing. However, they are $87 Canadian and that's like a lot of money. Oh, sorry, I got an itch. But I have such a collector's mentality. I really like collecting palettes. And since I have the Sunrise, because she has like a couple sizes of palettes, the Love palette is the same size as the Sunrise palette. There's also like the Glam and Bronze palettes that are also in that size, but I don't like those ones as much. The Love palette just speaks to my soul. I love pink and purple. So if I had an unlimited budget, I would definitely pick this up as my next eyeshadow palette. If it wasn't on sale, I don't know if I would pick it up per se. I do have a lot of palettes that I am interested in, but they're more on the indie spectrum. They're not really available at Sephora. So this is like my favorite palette that's at Sephora right now. So next up is a new brand at Sephora. It is called Merit, and they have a Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I think that sounds divine. I really like glossy sheer lips. I have for a long time. They're just the best. So much better than a liquid lipstick. I think the color I would get is Pink Beat. It looks like a nice cool tone mauvey pink. I just want to try the newest brand at Sephora. I've been really into the brands that they've been launching lately. They've been like kind of clean and I don't know, more environmentally friendly, all that kind of stuff. They've definitely been more on-trend brands that they've been bringing into Sephora. So I would definitely be interested in trying Merit. And I think out of all their products, I would get the most use out of and have the best luck with the lip oil. So yeah, that is definitely a product that I would pick up if I had unlimited amounts of money and could shop this sale till I drop. Next up is a product by Lys Beauty, or LYS. I don't know which it is. I wanted to purchase this when I purchased their foundation. I have the foundation here. This is one of Sephora's newer brands. It's Black owned, and this is the Triple Fix Serum Foundation. This shade is a little bit dark for me, so that's why I haven't been wearing it a ton, but I really do like the formula quite a bit, especially if you have dry skin. I think you'd really like this. I wanted to try the No Limits Matte Bronzer. However, it didn't launch with the foundation. It was kind of weird, so I wanted to get the foundation ASAP so that I could put out an early review for people that might be interested. But this didn't launch with it, and now it's sold out, so I probably won't be getting my hands on it for a little bit anyway. I've mentioned it before on my channel, but I'm not really like super into bronzers, or I wasn't. I am definitely getting more into them now, and I usually only have one at a time. So right now I have the Fenty Beauty bronzer and it's almost done, like it's on its last legs. And I also have the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I had a couple of Charlotte Tilbury products on this list, and then I remembered that they've been selling in China with pop-up shops, and that means that their products are subject to animal testing. So I'm taking a break from Charlotte Tilbury until I find out more information about that. I really hope that they remain cruelty-free because I love Charlotte Tilbury. I think they're super luxe, and they're one of the only luxury brands that are actually cruelty-free. So I don't know, man. I really hope that they just, you know, stay cruelty free, man. It's not that hard. But yeah, so I have the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer right now, and I'm looking to dabble into something new. I hardly have any bronzers, and I feel like there are so many being released lately, and I just want to try them. So that's definitely a product I would get, along with the LYS or Lys Beauty cream blush. Those look beautiful as well. Next up is a product by Supergoop, and it is the Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. I believe that Kathleen Lights raves about this product, and I love Kathleen. I think she's so sweet and she seems really genuine. She's one of the few YouTubers that I watch and actively trust, and she really enjoys this product, so I would definitely want to give this one a go. As I turned 26 last week, I have noticed more wrinkles. So I've been wearing my SPF for the last like few months, all throughout the winter pretty much. If I was going outside, I was wearing SPF. I still do, but that's definitely something that I've been doing more this year, just because I don't want to look super old, man. I just really don't. and I want to protect my skin. I want it to be glowy and radiant and lovely, and yeah. So I've been really into sunscreens, and I'm almost done with the one that I've been using. I've been using the Illumier Sheer Shield? Something like that. It's by Illumier. I do like it, but since it's like the first sunscreen for your face that I've actually like really tried and gotten into, I just want to try other things. I want to explore the market a little bit because I don't really know what's out there. So it works well for me right now, but like I haven't tried anything else. I have nothing else to compare it to. So that's one that I definitely want to try. Another sunscreen that I would really be interested in trying is by Fenty Skin. I don't know if I trust like makeup companies that move into skincare, but I feel like with a sunscreen, it's probably okay. You know what I mean? Because it's not like a retinol product that could be super harsh, you know, like it's just a sunblock. So it's an invisible moisturizer, broad spectrum, SPF 30. So I definitely want to try that. I heard it smells like peaches. One of my friends, she was a follower and she's also a makeup artist, so then we became pals. She recommended this to me, so I feel like I want to try it because it's a personal recommendation from a friend. Also, one thing I really like about this product is that you can buy a refill, so you don't have to keep buying the packaging over and over again. You can just buy refills once you buy the first initial bottle. I really like that. I feel like it's more environmentally friendly and it's probably more cost effective. I haven't really looked into it, but I would assume it would be more cost effective. So yeah, definitely interested in that product, especially because it smells like peaches. Like what? So I've heard, but yeah, that sounds divine. Another product that is super popular with the kids lately. The kids. I'm old, man. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I think these sound just lovely. I love a glowy, fresh face. When I'm not wearing makeup, I always apply my Charlotte Tilbury. Where is it? If I'm not wearing makeup, I like to apply my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Just a little bit, like on the cheeks, just gives such a pretty dewy glow, and then I'm like out the door. So I feel like these drops would also give a similar effect and have the added benefits of niacinamide. And Glow Recipe products are just so cute and they often smell good. So I don't know, just everything about this brand's aesthetic and their packaging, they make skincare fun. I tried their watermelon sleeping mask. I didn't like that so much. I just thought it was too sticky for me, but that's just a personal thing. Like the product wasn't bad. So I'd definitely be interested in trying more from the brand, specifically this product. This sounds just lovely. Next up, another by Fenty. I just really like Fenty Beauty. I really do. And I've been wanting to try like a lot of their products for a while, but I just keep holding off. Maybe I should just do like one big video on Fenty and like try out all the products that I've wanted to try from their launches from like the past year and a half. This one from Fenty has been out for quite some time now. It's the Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. This just sounds so pretty. Like just the sparkle, I've seen it on people and I'm like, wow, that looks so pretty. I want the shade How Many Carats. It's the first one that they launched, the one that just looks like white sparkles. Just because I am so pale, I don't think the other two shades would really work for me. So yeah, I really want to try this one. I've been lusting after it for so long. I think the thing that's holding me back is the fact that it's $52. Like that's a lot of money. That is so expensive. So maybe with the 20% discount, it might give me like a little more justification to purchase it. Another Fenty product that I want to try, these are the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. I'm pretty sure I heard a lot of good things about this product when it launched. I did hear that they're like really small and like they're like this big. That doesn't really bother me. They seem to be like decently priced. They're $26. I think I'd get the shade Rosé Latte. I just don't really have a lot of blushes that color. I tend to go more pink, but I feel like this would be a really pretty color. A very pretty like neutrally brown. So since I did hear a lot of good things about the formula, the only thing is like the product's small, but I personally like going through more products. You know, I don't mind when things are smaller because it means I use them up. And then I feel like I got my money's worth, you know? I feel like if the cream blush was too big, it would go bad before you got to use it up since it is cream. Anyway, that's something from Fenty that I'd be really excited to try. And I think I have one more Fenty product. These are the Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipsticks. That is a lot of words. That is quite the tongue twister. I want the shade Retro Rose, which is a dusty pink that just sounds like me in a lipstick. I love shiny lipsticks, man. That's my jam. This Bite lipstick that I made using their Lip Lab, it is my go-to. Like I've been using it so freaking much and it's like their sheer formula. I specifically chose that because I find that these are just so lovely and so easy to wear. Back when MAC was cruelty free, the Luster lipstick formulas were like my favorite. Oh, I wanted to have them all. I wanted to collect them all. They're like Pokemon to me. They're just so lovely. I love sheer lipsticks, so I really want to try these ones from Fenty. I think this is close to like the top of my Fenty list. Next up is a product from Rare Beauty. I have a liquid blush from Rare Beauty and I adore it. It's the Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Happy. I just think it's such a beautiful color. The formula is just, it's divine. I love it so much. So I really want to try more from the brand. And I've heard a lot of good things about their Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. A lot of my followers have actually recommended this to me and I love getting recommendations from you guys. It's like the best. I feel like we can like really share products and we're like beauty besties. So I have gotten a lot of recommendations for this Rare Beauty concealer and I definitely want to try it. I'm in the market for a new concealer. I usually use Shape Tape, but as I get older, I just feel like Shape Tape is just a little bit too drying and it really emphasizes the texture I have under my eyes. So I don't know. I'm just kind of like feeling things out and looking for something new. I've been trying out the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and it does kind of crease on me. That's the only thing, but it doesn't emphasize my texture nearly as much as Shape Tape does. So I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place because I can't find that happy medium of like doesn't crease too much but still doesn't emphasize texture, and one that's cruelty free because everyone recommends the NARS Radiant Creaming Concealer, but like not cruelty free, you know? Ooh, another product from Rare Beauty. I've heard so many good things about this. It's the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm. I've heard amazing things about these. I've heard they're so comfortable. The only thing that I'm kind of concerned about is that I know their previous lip products, a lot of people said they taste like soap. So I hope that's not the case with these lip balms, but I don't think I've heard any complaints about like the taste or the smell. So I'd be definitely open to trying these. Apparently they're super comfortable, really glossy, really shiny, and not sticky, and super moisturizing. So like that sounds like a dream lip product for me. Okay, so we are down to our last product. I feel like this video went by so fast. When I film these types of videos where I'm just like sitting down and talking, I feel like it goes by so quickly. So this is a new product by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I was intrigued the minute that they announced this. It's the Brow Freeze Styling Wax. I am definitely into this product. I really have been liking using soap for my eyebrows. The only thing I find with soap is that sometimes it can leave like a white cast in my eyebrows. Like if I use too much, it kind of gets a little wonky, but I need a lot because my brows are pretty unruly, just like naturally, they just go everywhere. So I feel like this would be a really good product for me personally because it looks completely clear. I've heard some really good reviews, and also with soap brows, when I finally get them to like stay where I want them, I find that they do kind of like fall, I guess. They just kind of like go back into place after like an hour. And I've heard this product really holds your brows in place all day. So yeah, I would definitely be interested in trying this product. I really hope I get the chance to. If it works, it just seems like it'd be everything I want in a brow gel. And that is everything for this video. Those would be all the products that would be in my huge haul if I had an unlimited budget for the Sephora VIB sale. Let me know in the comments down below the products that your list consists of. I'm so interested to know because I feel like there's always things that I forget about. Like when people say, oh, this is on my list, I'm like, oh, I forgot about that product, me too. So yeah, I would definitely love to hear what you guys are interested in. And I think that is everything from me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for watching if you've made it this far. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, that's okay. I just really appreciate you being here. It helps out my channel so much just you watching, so thank you. Please leave any video requests you may have in the comments down below and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.